For years, I avoided talking about this issue because it was embarrassing and frustrating. I tried to ignore it, hoping it would improve on its own. Then I discovered something called the horse gelatin trick, and it opened my eyes to a simple approach I had never considered before. This easy daily habit may help support healthy blood flow, energy levels, and male vitality naturally. There are no complicated steps, no strict schedules, and no expensive solutions involved. After making it part of my routine, I noticed a boost in my confidence and overall well-being. The horse gelatin trick has become popular because of its simple ingredients and the way it may help support circulation and performance. Click the link in the pinned comment to learn how the horse gelatin trick works and why so many men are giving it a try.